Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a brief review of long division. 3,375 divided by 9 is my model problem. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. So we're going to look for the number within the number. We want to divide by the smallest digit possible. Only rule is the digit inside, the number inside the square that we start dividing by has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square. So we cannot start out with one digit by one digit division because 9 is bigger than 3. And the number inside's got to be equal to or bigger. We can start out with two digit by one digit division. 33 divided by 9. We can figure out how many groups of 9 go into 33, and that works. There will be a remainder, though. So I'm going to count by 9s. I'm going to see how many groups of 9 go into 33. 9, that's one group of 9. 18, two groups of 9. 27, three groups of 9. Now, if I count by 9 again, I'll be too far. If I count by 9 again, I'll be at 36. That's too far, so I cannot get a fourth group in there. But I was able to get 3 full groups of 9 within 33. Now, the closest I could get to 33 without passing it was 27. 27 was the last number I got to skip counting by 9 without going over 33. So, 27 is what I have to subtract to find my remainder. So, 33 minus 27 equals 6. Next step, we bring down the 7. That 6 becomes a 67. And now I have to figure out how many groups of 9 go into 67. And again, there is going to be a remainder here. There's definitely going to be a remainder. But I'm going to count by 9, see how many full groups of 9 I can get in 67, and then I'm going to solve for the remainder. So, 9, that's one group of 9. 18, two groups. 27, three groups of 9. 36, four groups of 9. We can keep going because the number's 67 now, so we can keep going. We're going to go get as many groups of 9 as we can until we pass 67 or get as close to 67 without passing it. So 9, 18, 39, 18, 27, 36, 45. I am now at 5 groups of 9. 54, I'm at 6 groups of 9. 63, I'm at 7 groups of 9. Now, if I count by 9 again, that'll be too far. If I count by 9 again, I'm at 72, and 72 is too far. That would be past 67, but I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full groups of 9 within 67. Now, 63 was as close as I could get to 67 without going over. That's what we subtract. 67 minus 63 equals 4, so we have a remainder of 4. Next, I'm going to bring down the 5. And now I got to figure out how many groups of 9 go into 45. Now, I could erase all this and start from scratch at 9, but why erase when the work's already there, right? Why erase all of it when the work's already there? So, counting by 9s to get to 45, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. So, I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 9 within 45. And 45 minus 45 equals 0. So we have the final answer here. Glare on the light's kind of messing up my swag here, but here we go. 3,375 divided by 9 equals 375. I am going to do one more long division problem. One more long division problem, and then we are calling it a video. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, 4,585 divided by 5. That's going to be my next example. So we want to divide by the smallest digit possible. We cannot start out with one digit by one digit division because 5 is bigger than 4. The number inside's got to be equal to or bigger than the number outside. We can start out with 45. 45 divided by 5. If you were paying attention to the last problem, you already know the answer. But who knows, maybe you were not in the live stream for the last problem. So I'm going to count by 5s, see how many groups of 5 I can get within 45. 5, that's one group. 10, 2 groups. 15, 3 groups. 20, 4 groups. 25, 5 groups. 30, 6 groups. 35, 7 groups. 40, that's 8 groups. And 45, 9 groups. I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 5 within 45. So I subtract 45 minus 45 equals 0. There is no remainder. Bringing down the 8. How many groups of 5 can I get in 8? 5, that's one group. If I count by 5 again, I'll be at 10, and that's too far. We're already past 8. But I was able to get one group of 5 within 8. 5 was as close as I could get to 8 without going over, so I have to subtract 8 minus 5, see what the remainder is. We have a remainder of 3. Next, I bring down the final number. The 3 becomes 35, and I have to figure out how many groups of 5 go into 35. So, counting by 5s, 5, that's one group. 10, 2 groups of 5. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, 4 groups of 5. 25, 5 groups of 5. 30, 6 groups of 5. 35, 7 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 35, 5 goes into 35 7 times. 35 minus 35 equals 0. There is no remainder. So we get rid of the numbers that were skip counted at the top. When you do these problems, I would definitely, if you're not using a whiteboard, do your skip counting on some scrap paper. It's just a way to count how many groups are within a certain number. If you don't know the division instantly in your head. All right, so we have our final answer: 4,585 divided by 5 equals 917. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.